Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the clear lines from the pre-guided wig cap. There are two ways this can be achieved: through small scissors, or you can use a nitpicker. I prefer to use a nitpicker because it's easier, smaller, and it's just simple. And I'm going to show you in real time of how long it's going to take. I did not take the lines off from the entire wig cap, but I just wanted to give you guys an example of what you're going to experience when you purchase. So it did take me about maybe 2 to 5 minutes to remove all the lines from the wig cap. Once you first purchase, it will be challenging because you're learning how to remove the lines when it's new, but over time you'll get faster and you'll know the fastest way to remove the lines. This wig cap was designed and created because I wanted to make wigs efficiently and of course faster. I saw that there wasn't any wig caps that had any pre-guided lines on it, and especially if you're a beginner and you don't know really where to start. I used to waste so much hair and I used to mess up my wig caps because I would have to undo the tracks, I would have to resew everything. So this is going to allow you to produce quality wigs with a quality cap that's durable and has a professional finish. And I also made a video on how I did a tin foil highlight on this wig. And when you are cutting the lace off, please be careful. I always put my hand there and use my middle finger or any finger that's there as a guide, just to make sure that I'm not cutting anything, because we just did this whole wig, and if you know, cutting the cap, cutting anything, it just throws you off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to see me style this wig and color this wig, please look at the next video. Remember to always speak life, love, and positivity, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for supporting me, and love y'all.